Hey guys, good morning. So me and my older sister Crystal were out. I'm headed through to Starbucks right here. Let me turn this. Of course, y'all know I'm at Starbucks. Where else would I be? Let me see here. I'm trying out. I'm also trying out my new little camera holder thing. But anyways, so I'm at Starbucks and I'm headed after here to Sam's because my mom. Y'all, our mom, when it gets to be Mother's Day, she will ask for, it's just like stuff that she don't even, that like she knows she's not going to use. Like I think one of the items that we actually told her, one of the items that we told her that we're definitely not buying her is a bread maker. Just she just be asking for like crazy stuff, knowing she's not going to basically use it. So I don't even know why she would even ask for a bread maker. Like, why would you even? Why? But literally, when it comes to be Mother's Day, she will ask for just crazy stuff because she knows, low key we're going to buy it because it's like Mother's Day. So we're going to, so she ended up asking for, we're going to cook for her, of course, and shout out to my sister Crystal because she already bought everything. And then she asked for like one of them little handheld blenders. So we're getting her that, which also shout out to my sister Crystal again because she already bought that. And then now we just left Walmart to look for, she wants a TV for her office. And you guys, chances are my mom is not going to be in her office that often. She doesn't even watch the 55-inch TV that I bought her. Every time we come over, the TV's off. So I don't even know. I don't know. But anyways, that's what she asked for, was a TV for her office. And so we went to Walmart this morning to buy it. But of course, Walmart, almost every Walmart was out of stock. Not selling TVs. And then we ordered it. My sister Crystal, she tried to order it from Best Buy. And Best Buy said that it'll be ready, but for pickup in Mobile. And of course, we're not driving there for no TV. So, now we're headed to Sam's. And so we're leaving Walmart. She left and went to go get something to eat. And then I left and I'm at Starbucks. So yeah, that is it. So yeah, that's it. So basically what we're getting her for Mother's Day is, a blender. We're cooking for her, and then we're buying her a TV for her office. It's going to be like her office is pretty small, so it's only going to be like a 43-inch TV. So nothing big, nothing major.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hey, can I get a venti pink drink?
Okay.
And that's it.
All right. It's going to be $5.33.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, you guys. So my sister, she has already ordered the TV from Sam's. So I don't even have to come to Sam's. So tomorrow we're going to pick up the TV because Sam's, they have certain times that you can actually go there to pick up the TV. So I'm going to meet her at Sam's tomorrow morning. We're going to pick up the TV. She already has the blender and the ingredients for what we're cooking. And then, so yeah, that's it. All is right with the world. And also shout out to her again because she bought both cars for my mom and stepmom. And then tomorrow morning she's going to pick up some flowers and put it on our stepmom's doorstep, or our dad's doorstep, for our stepmom. So she has something for Mother's Day. So yeah, all right, great. All is right with the world. And then I will actually I may go live with us cooking for my mom tomorrow. So I'm just basically going to we're just basically going to be cooking if I can figure it out. If not, then you guys will see a vlog. But yeah, alright, so I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I got up, got ready, loaded everything in my car to basically head to Sam's and meet my sister. And my car will not start, so yeah, okay. Alright, so and so I called my sister. I think I know what I did was somebody at my job stopped me like a couple of nights ago and was like, hey, your other headlight is out. And y'all know the vlog where I was basically getting frustrated with replacing my other headlight, like the right one. And so when he told me that, I mean, I was just like, I instantly got tired, but I was just like, okay, well, thanks. And then I was like, well, I'll just put my bright lights on for basically like the time being. But when you put your bright lights on, you have to basically you have to turn them off, because if not, they're basically going to stay on. And I think that's what happened, because when I came home and actually parked, I left my bright lights on, and now like it's basically them ran my battery out. But Precision, like the place where I go to get like my car done, they had been told me like months and months, like, hey, you need a new battery, and I just never got one because I didn't. Like, there was nothing that was coming on that showed me that I needed a new battery. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So now I'm just basically waiting for my sister, and she's going to bring me a battery, and hopefully that works, because I mean, I'm pretty sure that is it. I mean, it's like nothing else really. So I decided to come back in here because I was going to stop by Starbucks and get some coffee, but I figured, I mean, I can't go nowhere. I might as well make coffee here. So I mean, there we go. I got my hood up right there, and I took the battery out, the old battery. Alright, you guys. So my sister's here. Got the new one in, and it better crank. That's all I gotta say. So we're getting this finished, and then yeah, we're gonna be back on my day.
Guys, the guy, he didn't even upsell me any, like, you know, gel to go with it. Like, people just want to do their jobs and stuff, you know? And that's fine. However, don't expect a great review. I'm at that age where I will do the survey. You will hear from me. Bob. One way or another. Mark my words. Okay? Now, did I get this one out? So, oh, it's too small. Oh, is this one smaller? Interesting.
Very interesting.
So let's go this one. Yeah, all right, we're coming. Okay, well that's the one I used before. I mean, what is going on? Oh,
We still got time for Sam's, right?
yeah. Well, it has to be picked up between like 11 and 12. So.
Oh, okay, sweet. Alright, y'all, so I got the battery and my car started, so we are back up and running, and my check engine light went off. Look at God. But yeah, be looking out for a prank video, because we're gonna prank our mom with this TV. You got to see it.